Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Shyam Isaiah. I hope you are doing great. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to start trading. So before watching this video, please do hit the like button and please do subscribe because this video, I'm going to bet this video will help you guys in the future. I'm going to show you 6 methods that can help you to start trading in a better way. So the first method is know that the trading is not a gambling sport. So what is the difference between a gambling and a trading? Gambling is based on pure luck, whereas trading is a calculated risk. It is a game where we have an edge, whereas gambling, we don't have any edge. So, the second method is just focus on learning and gaining knowledge. Say, for example, to become a doctor, it hardly takes 10 years of study so that you may become a doctor. And coming back to engineer, to become an engineer, it actually takes 5 years of hard work and study. Then, for what reason you guys think that you're gonna become profitable in trading just by taking few trades, or trading for a month or trading for a year? I'm gonna say you can't become profitable in trading in just a year or 2 years or 3 years. It'll hardly take you 5 years of hard work, or it can be less than that for the people who take trading seriously. I've seen people in trading who has 10 years of experience, but they're still in loss. So those kinds of people are not focused in learning, and gaining knowledge. So I'm gonna tell you guys, just focus few months of learning, read good books that I've uploaded in my YouTube channel, and just take trading as a serious sport or a business. And third method is try to understand what type of trading style that suits you better. So there are different types of trading styles that is available in the market. So the first thing is intraday or day trading, and second is swing trading, and third is positional trading, or fourth thing is scalping. So the first type of trading style is intraday or day trading. So when you buy a stock today and you're gonna sell the stock today itself, then it is called as intraday trading. So intraday trading is considered to be as less risk factor because of so many factors. So the one factor could be you're just exiting the trade today itself because you never know what's going to happen tomorrow. So it can be both the things happening. One is the stock can go up down by 5%, or it can go up by 5% or 10% because of the market condition. So the second type of trading is swing trading. What do you know about swing trading? It's nothing but when you buy a stock or buy few stocks and hold it for a week or for a month, hoping that the price would go up by fewer percent, like 10%, 15%, when you want to capture the entire move. So it is called as swing trading. Swing trading can be easy. In swing trading, you does not need to be in the screen for so long a time when compared to intraday trading. Coming back to the third type of trading, that is positional trading. When you buy a stock and hold it for more than 6 months, it is called as positional trading, where you want to capture more than 40%, 50%, 60%. It is called as positional trading, wherein you hope for huge profits or gains. So the fourth type of trading is scalping. When you enter a trade and exit a trade in just a minute or so, it is called as scalping. Scalping can be very risky because your entry must be perfect and your exit must be perfect because you are just trading in minutes or even seconds. So the fourth method is master the trading strategy that suits a trading style. Say for example, if you like day trading or intraday trading and your strategy is based on swing trading or positional trading, you're gonna lose money in day trading because your strategy does not suit the day trading concept. So based on the style of trading, your strategy must coordinate it. Then only you're gonna become a profitable trader. So the fifth method that I'm gonna share you is refine your trading strategy. So how to refine your trading strategy? Once you came to know what type of trading style that suits you, when you have mastered the trading strategy that suits your trading style, you can backtest your trading strategy and take trades with low risk of amount using that trading strategy. And if you don't have any trading strategy, please do watch this video that I have uploaded in my channel wherein I made lakhs using this strategy. Hello friends, if you're watching till now, please hit the subscribe button and please do like because it will help me in building my YouTube channel. I hope you'll support this journey. So the sixth method is follow the blueprint that I've shared you for at least 21 days non-stop to become a profitable trader. You just have to focus on simple steps to become a profitable trader. These 21 days, what are you going to do? It is just simple. Eat, sleep, trade, repeat. So when you do these four things, 21 days will become months, it'll become years, and you'll become a profitable trader. So the last thing is, I'm going to tell you is, don't come to trading to make money, but come to trading to become a billionaire. If you're on Instagram, please do follow me on Instagram. So if you want to follow me in Telegram, wherein I share my potential charts, which can probably go up, and the link is in the description. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching.